Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today we're going to look at the 1 hour on the Ecomi token. We're going to see price action and we're going to really put into work our TA skills and how profitable we could truly be once you put everything together. So right here we do have this beautiful descending triangle. I'm going to draw it out with the shape tool right here. And this descending triangle was showing us when the break occurred, we're looking for our full take profit. Once again, we're going to go to the top to the bottom. We're going to take this right here. This is our extension and this is going to be our extension to where it's going to go. So we can see the lows of 0.00155. Roughly around that level is going to be our key level of full take profits. When we look at structure, what is structure truly doing, guys? Let's take a look. So in order for us to form a bias to the downside, we want to see lower lows and lower highs. And we want to make sure each time it pulls back to a key level, we're finding key levels of resistance. Whenever we come to key levels of resistance, you want to look always left of structure, guys. Always look left. Make sure this is a zone and has a lot of criteria on why a reversal can happen. Once we find that reversal and that zone, we want to look for our wick rejections, indecision. We want to see candles going the momentum of the opposite direction. So that means we want to see bullish candle go towards that direction, get stopped out right at that level of resistance, and then we want to jump in when we see another candle of confluence. Confluence to the direction of where we're trying to go. That is the bias to the downside. So we want to see a red candle. So that's our method to our madness, and that's what we're trying to do. Find these key levels of reversals and take shorts every single time it plays out. We don't hesitate. A lot of traders do hesitate. We don't want to do that. Once our technique is performed, we want to get into those trades right away. There's no such thing as holding off, waiting for those right opportunities and stuff like that. Guys, when there is an implementation and you have rules to your trades and you put 3 rules out, if it meets all those criteria, no matter what, you get into those trades. So we're going to talk about why I got into this trade and how profitable it has been for me so far. A lot of my students have taken this trade as well. And this is such a great way to really load up on your token. So right here, I want to delete this little move arrow right here, or this drawing. So right here, we could see. So a lot of people did message me saying, hey, John, I missed the opportunity. And you did say, hey, wait for the zone to be broken before you sell. Yes, if you are late to the party, of course, you don't want to FOMO in. There's always going to be opportunities. So when the price did break out here, it retested this trend line. It's very strong in this trend line. We wanted to see a clear break. And look what happened. Price went back to the trend line to retest the trend line as a key level of resistance. So once price came back to touch this key level as resistance, what are we going to look? We're going to look for our method entry strategy. We're going to look for our strategies that we use every single day to sell the market. So once again, when price went down, that's exactly where we enter the trades, and you can see what it's trying to do. It could be making another descending triangle. It could be making another formation for us to even go lower. If this is a descending triangle, we want to take our take profit once it breaks out. Isn't that really cool? Isn't it cool how we found 2 confirmations of signals, one descending triangle going to that zone, another small one going to the same zone? That's how you make confluence such a key part of trading. That's how you add extra value into your trading. Why? Because it will work out if you believe it more often than not. So if you did miss this trade, this was our pullback. These were our retests. We got into the trade already here, guys. So this was the trade that we're looking at. Our stop loss just above 0.00173. Our take profit, full take profit, 0.00155. Does not mean we did not take some profits. Yes, on the road of taking these trades of 2 to 1, we always take our profits. These levels are going to be my first take profit, second take profit, and of course, the last but not least take profit. That's going to be my third. So these are trades that we take every single time, and this is something you guys can learn in depth in my training course and in my program that I do offer. So if you guys do want to be a part of it, please make sure to email me. And remember, everything that I do on this YouTube channel is not financial advice. But once you are a student of mine, everything that I do and provide you, it is financial advice, because at the end of the day, I am your coach, I am your mentor, and I'm here to change your life the right way, doing it the right way, guys. And that's the key. A lot of people talk about doing the right things, right way and all that. They don't have evidence, they don't have proof, they don't even understand the key ideas of fundamentals or how to even trade a naked chart. I don't need indicators. This is the simplicity of trading this way. So what we're going to look for is we're going to look for the same thing, and I'm going to repeat this again, guys. If prices break below, we see a retest, we're taking another short. this is going to be another opportunity for a lot of people to jump into the market and sell your tokens and buy it at a dirt cheap price. Keep in mind, before you do any selling, please make sure to do your own strategy, your own ideas, and of course, look at Bitcoin and what it's trying to do. If it's becoming more bullish and it's evident that price can go up, then of course, we're gonna stay back. We're gonna make sure we take some profits and let the trade go. But if it breaks out, gives us a confirmation that it's gonna go lower, and if it does do what I think it's going to do, we're absolutely going to go to the downside. And this is going to be a level 0.00155 that is going to be a perfect level for taking profit. Once levels are hit, what we're gonna see is price maybe go back, retest structure, and then go back down, or break up, retest, and we're gonna look to buy. Of course, those informations are going to be put out once I do see price breaking to the upside or even going a little bit lower. So right now we are still bearish, and we do have a break of this key trend line. We have more than 3 touches to confirm this was a valid trend line. Beautiful break. This is the simplicity of how to trade. So what I'm gonna be looking for, a key break to the downside. We want to see a reversal to the downside, and this is going to be a pullback entry strategy that I do teach. If we do go to the upside, break the trend line and break the zone 0.00168, then of course I'm going to be super bullish. Can I take a buying opportunity here? Yes. If it breaks this trend line, the smaller trend line, yes, we could take a buy, retest, we could go to the top. The way it seems, we are super bearish, and we're going to see this play out. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do like my content, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much. Take it easy, and John out. Peace.